In this video, we just want to take a moment to talk a little bit about how to go about using a voltmeter as you're checking scales and working on equipment. But I want to start with talking about some different types of multimeters that you might come across. What we see here is what we would call an analog multimeter. And so it has a little needle that will change its position based on the readings that you're taking. This would be the least accurate and least expensive of the tools that you might use. And so because of the lack of precision that you're going to get out of a tool like this one, it isn't one that we would suggest using as a scale technician out in the field. Next, we have a digital multimeter. And these are going to be much more precise. And there's a couple of different kinds of multimeter here. This particular digital multimeter is a manual ranging meter. So basically what that means is you have to set the dial based on the range that you're going to be working in. So you have to have a sense of what to expect ahead of time so that you can properly set the range of the meter. Otherwise, you're not going to get great readings out of this particular tool. Finally, we have an example of another digital multimeter, but this one is what we would call auto ranging. So you don't have to select the range that you're going to be in. You're simply going to select the unit that you're going to be measuring. So are you going to be working in volts, or are you going to be working in amps, or are you going to be working in resistance? And so once you set that particular portion of the meter, it'll automatically range and provide you with the best result on the display. As a technician out in the field, this is the type of voltmeter that we would suggest that you have on hand for your daily use.